Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Meta AI is not showing on WhatsApp. If you're using any WhatsApp and you're having the issue that your Meta AI is not showing in the WhatsApp apps, let's see how can you easily fix that error. So you just have to make an update in your WhatsApp app to fix the issue. So open your App Store or Play Store. Here you have to simply search for WhatsApp and you have to make sure that you haven't any pending update for your WhatsApp app. If you find any pending update, try to update your WhatsApp app, and after updating, your issue will be fixed. Or if it's still not fixed, you just have to open your settings app here, tap on general option, tap on iPhone storage. In here, tap on the WhatsApp app, and here you have to tap on offload app. So if might be there will be any issue or any bug in your WhatsApp app, it will be fixed in this step. Simply tap on Offload app. After uploading, tap on Reinstall app option. So after doing that, the app will be completely reinstalled on your iPhone without deleting its data. So after doing that, your issue will be fixed and you will be able to see Meta AI in your WhatsApp. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.